Hello dear students, so as all of you know that first time we are going to have the online test for all the classes. So in this video I am going to explain you that how to attend the online assessment for the first term. Okay, student, you know that your teacher will share the links of the various Google Forms for different subjects, and first of all you have to click on the link that will take you to the specific test paper. Okay, and here now I am going to show you all the steps one by one that have to handle the question paper and submit the answer. Okay children, so first of all you know that you have to click on the link which here I got in the WhatsApp. Okay, so here at the bottom I have the link, and when I will click on the link children, it will take me to that particular form. So now see that my form appears here, and in some of the mobiles it may ask you to the login first. Okay, so you have to log in, you will enter your email address and your password, so then your form will be in front of you. So now children, here we have the test paper in front of me. First of all children, you have to go through all the instructions given by the teacher at the top of the question paper. For example, here I can see that time is given 1 hour 30 minutes, maximum mark is 20, and after that few more things are told about all the question. Okay, that the question paper consists of 5 question. The first 2 questions have multiple choice type, then question number 4 you can type your answer at multiple lines. So these all things are told children. Okay, so before going through the paper children, the first thing I want to tell you that your question paper may be having 4 types of question. Okay children, the first type is multiple choice, means the problem you will be having where you will the 4 options will be given. For example, here you can see that question number 1, it is showing you 4 options. Question number 2, it is also showing you 4 options. Then the second type of problem will be there which fall into the category of short answer type. For example, here you can see question number 3. Children, the answer of this problem we can write in a single line. So, okay, so here you are only allowed to write a single line. Okay, if you will try to go to the second line children, it would not be possible. In the same way children, you can see the question number 4. Children, it is the long answer type problem. Okay, where you have to write down or you have to type down the answer in multiple lines, means you can make use of the more than one line also. And the most important one is the last problem. Okay, and in this children, when you will see the problem, you will not find any box to write down the answer. You will find here a button which is saying add file. Okay, so if you see the add file tool at the bottom of any question, then you will come to know that here you don't have to write or type anything. Children, what you have to do, you will write down your answer on a sheet of paper. Okay, and after writing down the answer, you have to take the pictures of those sheet, and after that children, those files we will upload here. Okay, because you know children, many problems are there, and in many subject, for example in physics, in biology, okay, and in computer also, there may be some problems where you have to draw the tables or diagrams. Okay, in commerce subject also you have to draw the ledger sheets. Okay, so in this type of problem children, you have to use this technique. Okay, so now I'm going to show you that how you will submit all the answers. Okay, so I am starting from the first problem children. First of all, you have to type down your email address. Okay, so whatever email address you are using, you will type it down. After that, it is asking name, so we can type our name. After that, it is asking for my class, so I will choose the class here. Then choose your section accordingly, click on your section. After that, go through all the problems and answer them. Okay, for example here, the first problem is that, so I will choose the correct answer. After that, in the second one also, I have to see that what is the correct answer from the given 4 option, and I will click accordingly. After that, I can see the next problem, and I will type down the answer for that through my mobile only. Okay, so in this way children, I will type down my problem. Zero. Okay, okay class, so my first answer is completed. In the same way children, I have to type down the answer for the this problem also, and this is a long answer type problem. Okay, so children, for this purpose I have to type down multiple lines, so take your time. Okay, and type down your answer. Okay, student. So in this way, I will type the answer for the question number 4. And now I will take you to the fifth problem, which is the most important one. In this problem, children, we have to draw a figure and we have to draw the diagram also. And here the option is shown as add file. Okay, so we know that it is not possible to type anything here. So children, I will take one sheet of the paper and I will write the answer for that. And finally, I will take the picture. And take the picture of your sheet. Okay. Okay, beta. After taking the picture, now I will come back to my problem here. Question number 5, you know that I wrote the answer in two sheets of the paper and I click the two pictures also. So now I will come here and I will click on the add file button. Okay, here when I will click, children, it will show you me a small window like this, and from here you can choose. Here we can see that inside a small box one option is shown, select files from your device. Okay, so you will click here, select file from your device. Okay, and after that I will go to the photos and I will try to find my files. I taken the photos from my picture, so here I have number of picture and I will choose the first seat, then I will choose the second seat in the same manner. From the camera I will choose the second sheet also. Okay, and finally children, I will click on the upload option. Okay, children, so these two images are attached with my answer. So now children, I will go through the whole paper once again to check if I filled all the information and all the answers correctly or not. So I will check my email once more. I will check my name, my class, my section. I will check my first answer, then the second answer. I will look for the third and fourth, and finally I will check the fifth answer. So I can see that my all the answers are completed. Okay, and nothing is left in the question paper to answer. Okay, so finally when I am confirmed, I will click on the submit button. Okay, children, so now here I got the message on the screen that your response has been recorded. Okay, class, so in this way children, you can attend your test paper in this first term assessments. Okay, class, so I hope that you got that how you have to handle all this, and thank you very much.